I'm just going to show you a little video. This is my little island that I made. It floats around the pond. So I'm going to kind of show you an idea how I made this. Put little rocks and sticks in there. It's going to eventually overgrown. This is only 1 year, not even a year old, so it's going to take a while. But anyways, so alright, what I did is this was some packing material. I was literally going to just throw it away. I don't know what it came in, but so what I did is I cut some holes and I put these yogurt containers. This is where the plants will be held. There's another one. To give you an idea, drill the holes on the bottom so you know it's going to float. So I did some spray foam to hold everything together and just give it some texture to it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to paint them black. But you can do this, you can even just make it out of the spray foam if you can just, make a frame for it somehow. But this was just something I had laying around, cost me zero money so far, except for the spray foam. So this will be one of the parts, and I'll go paint them in a second.